to Cooking with Taylor. Today we're making epic brownies. First we're going to start putting in the crust.
Perfect. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to mix 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Tyler, can you put the butter into her mix? And 2 teaspoons of water.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. So once Tyler puts that in, Iris is going to mix that up for us.
And then this is... How shall we mix it? I forgot what it's called. Okay.
So that's the brownie mix. And while Iris is mixing the crust, Tyler, go ahead and put it into the brownie mix. 2 tablespoons of water.
1 egg.
2 eggs. And 5 tablespoons of melted butter.
Wait, whoa. No, still do it. Still do it. Ah, that got on my hands. It's fine. It's fine.
So this is our Duncan Hines Epic Salted Caramel Brownie Kit.
And it's also like just like the cookies. It's just like the cookies.
Yeah, same idea as the cookies.
Except I'm kind of different. Except I'm kind of different.
So the crust is gonna hopefully be a little bit more moist. I might have to add just a little bit more water. We're gonna put that in the bottom.
Thanks. Let me just keep on spinning. Let me pour it while I spin. Oh yeah. Wait, whose was this? Oh, I was this.
Okay, let's see.
That's the same.
Okay, so we're still trying to get our crust a little bit more moist. So it'll go in the bottom here.
How can I get a little more of this? Because you didn't let me put it in.
Alright, so we're just going to see. So I've washed my hands real good. And we're going to try to just put our crust in the bottom of our pan here.
Can I push it down?
No, because I am going to try to keep it as clean as we can. We're going to try to share this with some friends. So you can use a spoon. I've washed my hands really good.
And I haven't.
Had we been really sure little people's hands are really clean, they could help with this part, but we've been busy.
And I have not washed my hands good in a long week. And also, if you didn't notice, I also lost like 2 teeth, and I had like just that one little tooth. And this one is she looks like a big one. Yeah.
We got a lot of loose teeth. Okay, so Taylor, are you ready for that?
I don't have. Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so we get our crust in the bottom. Pass that over. Let's make sure we mix it up. Hold on, let's make sure. Mix it up really good.
And then can I put it in?
And then we're gonna bake this 350 for 26 to 30 minutes. And then we're gonna cool it. You guys wanna show them what we're gonna decorate it with?
Oh yeah. No, let me hold up here. We're gonna decorate it with icing and
some pretzels and M&Ms.
Yeah. And then we use like all of the other stuff. I actually like the blue.
And you can put any other toppings that you might want. But those are gonna be.
Oh, it
So use
says.
the spoon.
I just read the side and it says Fruity Pebbles. Does this look yummy?
Oh, there is. It says also try Fruity Pebbles Epic Cake Kit.
I think I'll try that.
Or Cookies and Cream Cookie Kit. Ooh, those look good.
I actually want to do like the looking.
So this is what we're looking at on the side. Ooh, it all looks good.
Nice.
So right now we have put our crust in the bottom and the brownie mix on top. And then we're gonna cook this at 350 for about 26 to 30 minutes. And then we'll have something to eat. So we'll see you soon.
Welcome back. The brownies are done cooking. Yeah. I'm so excited to decorate them. Yeah. Well, let's start with should we start with icing? Icing, yes. Very good icing. It reminds me of when we did the brownie.
Squeeze it on.
Look at this. All of it. You should probably look at this. Whoa. Do you want to spread it around? Or do you want me to spread it less? Okay. I'll take this side. You take that side. Oh gosh. Mommy, I want to do it. Okay, ready? Whoa!
Just make sure the whole thing is covered because that's what's going to make your topping stick.
It's gonna be so good when they do it. The best brownies I've ever tasted.
Okay, I think I'm done with my side.
No, hurry. Just gotta get that.
At least out.
Yeah, let's just make it just make it like this.
Yeah, well, let's just do this.
Oh yeah, I'll take the bottom. Wait, you forgot the zipper back here. I want to make sure everything is
Beautiful. All right.
Now I have to take this side.
You can set your
Okay, now
Start-
we see.
set that up here, and then you can decorate.
Okay, I'm gonna start
Put
decorating.
it up here.
Oh, probably this.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Do it in an
Or Skittles, whatever they are.
M&Ms. They're M&Ms. A couple different kinds. I got some extra M&Ms. Some of them came in it, and then I got some extras.
Make sure you get the sides too. We also want the sides. And
Whoa!
probably if you get enough, once you get enough, I'm gonna start eating it. I think that should be good. Pretzels.
I think we should add a little bit more.
Okay.
Like all of yours.
Well, not all of it.
And then the pretzels are nice for some salty.
I want to eat. I want to eat so much.
Should I just do that?
Okay, let's start. Start with pretzels.
We can do this.
I'm gonna get every single space we didn't get with the M&Ms.
Oh, look, this looks like an A.
A for Adam.
A for Tay.
A.
Yeah, Tay.
Not Tyler. The other Tyler. Sometimes people. It looks like it half of it eat.
Yeah.
That's how you make it eat out of a pet. Hey, that's an
F.
tall.
That's an F.
That's right here. It actually looks like a grown-up eat. That one looks like a grown-up eat. Now I'm gonna add it right.
We can stand it up.
Here.
Oh, look, this looks like an F too.
No, that's. Whoa! Now an E. Now that looks like a bridge. Taste test time! Yay! I'm actually so excited for this because I got yellow. Oh, what's that?
The pretzel is hard.
Uh-oh.
Ow.
It's really good.
All right. So what do you get? Do we get thumbs up on this one?
Six
All
thumbs up.
right.
Oh, and subscribe to our channel. Oh, and click up there or down there.
Yep. You guys have a great day.
And click the
The
thumb.
bell. And the bell.
Yeah, the bell too. And then we'll see you later. Bye.